Hi class, welcome to the screencast overview on your aerobic versus anaerobic exercise worksheet assignment. So before you complete that worksheet, I'm going to have you go over these slides just to do a little recap on the differences between aerobic and anaerobic. So remember that aerobic is going to be with oxygen. So these are your activities that are considered cardio. Where you're practicing your endurance and your strength. Some examples include swimming, dancing, and running. Anaerobic is going to be your activities without oxygen. So these are usually activities that require periods of rest in between, like jumping, sprinting, weightlifting. It's also important to remember that sometimes these kinds of activities can overlap. So when you think about cardio kickboxing, you have a combination of cardio and the kickboxing part, which can be like resistance training. So sometimes certain activities can be considered aerobic and anaerobic. Heart rate zones. So aerobic training will typically fall in the range of 60 to 80% of your specific estimated maximum heart rate. Anaerobic training will fall between 80 to 90% of your estimated maximum heart rate. So you will be calculating your resting heart rate. You can do it manually inside of your wrist or the side of your neck, or if you have an Apple Watch or Fitbit or any type of heart rate monitor, you can use that as well. If you are doing it manually for your resting heart rate, remember to rest for at least 5 minutes before you record it. Then you will calculate your maximum heart rate. So this is the highest safe heart rate you should theoretically be able to have your heart beat at. And that's going to be 220 minus your age. And it's important that we calculate these numbers so that you can target your heart rate and stay in the safe zones. All right. And then this is going to be your worksheet. So here you will record your resting heart rate and your max heart rate. And the first section here, you'll be performing each of the exercises listed, each for 1 minute. After each exercise, remember to record your heart rate, right in this section, either manually or using a device that monitors your heart rate. Then you'll determine if each exercise is considered aerobic, anaerobic, or both. So high knees, push-ups, squats, jumping jacks, step back lunges, mountain climbers. So you're going to do a little bit of a workout. Can go ahead and recruit any family members at home to do it with you so they can get a little bit of aerobic or anaerobic exercise in. And then in the second section, you're going to come up with 3 exercises or activities that are aerobic and anaerobic. So 6 different exercises total. I have included an assignment reference page, so that's where you'll find the learning outcomes. So student identifies physical activities that are effective in improving each of the health-related physical fitness components, as well as accept responsibility for individual improvement. Here is your grading rubric, the criteria, understanding and demonstrating knowledge of concepts. So to earn the full 12 points for this assignment, the student demonstrates knowledge of concepts and completes the full worksheet. For 9 to 6 points, the student demonstrates partial understanding of concepts. 6 to 3, the student recalls some knowledge of concepts and attempts at the completion of the worksheet, and incomplete worksheets will be a 0. Here you'll find again how to manually find your heart rate and your maximum heart rate. And then lastly, we have some video tutorial links. So if any of you are having trouble with remembering what the workout looks like, or you want to clarify form, I've included these links that you can click on. So say you want to see what high knees looks like, you'll click it and we have someone demonstrating that for you. So high knees, another one, jumping jacks. All right, so if you have any other questions, please feel free to shoot me an email, and you can turn in the worksheet as a PDF format online, or you can bring in a printed copy to class. I look forward to seeing your responses, and good luck.